To better understand the concepts of sign convention and magnification to apply in the numerical problems, then if we do one problem, then we can get better idea how to apply the sign convention and how to apply the values by taking that numerical values is there. Here is the problem, that is an object is placed at 10 centimeters and or second one is 5 centimeters, two distances he has given. So here is that 10 centimeters and 5 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of a radius of curvature 15 centimeter. Find the position and nature and magnification of the image in each case. Means here he asked if he has given the values of distance of object and as well as he give the values of the radius of curvature of the concave mirror. Here concave mirror means when the concave mirror has taken, then this is the principal axis and this is the pole, and the object is placed at 10 centimeters which is of radius of curvature is 15 centimeters. Means here is the consider it's the center, the distance of radius means r is equal to 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter of radius of a concave mirror is there, and the object is placed at first we will take the 10 centimeters in first case is 10 centimeters. Means here I am considering that the object is placed at a distance of u is equal to 10 centimeter. Then here the radius of curvature 15 centimeters and object, he asked for the what is the position of the image is formed on the lens and which side that image has happened, what is the nature of that image and how much the magnification is there. First of all, here is the object, this is the object, and according to this radius of curvature is radius of curvature r is equal to, we are measuring this from pole to left side, means the direction of the incident ray is in this direction, then we are measuring the value of radius of curvature in opposite direction to the incident light ray. So here is that r is equal to minus 15 centimeter. So that's why to find the its focal length, we have the relation between the focal length and the radius of a curvature, f is equal to r by 2. F is equal to r by 2. From that relation we can get the value r is equal to 15 centimeters is there. So here is that f is equal to minus 15 by 2, that is minus 7.5 centimeter. Means when that here is that we are considering the principal focus, the distance between the principal focus to the pole is 7.5 centimeter. 7.5 centimeter. Minus symbol indicates that it is in the direction of the opposite direction of the incident light ray, means a concave mirror. So that's why concave mirror we have taken that f is equal to minus, indicates that whenever the concave mirror is happened, the focal length will be negative. In this case, first case 1, he has taken that the distance of object is u is equal to, he has taken the distance of the object is in opposite direction to the against direction to the incident light ray. So that's why you are taking that he has given that 10 centimeters in case of case 1. So here is minus 10 centimeter. Then we have the focal length f is equal to minus 7.5 centimeter. Then to find out the distance or position of the image, means from mirror's formula, here is that 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. From this relation we can write that if we take in this minus u into this side, then we can get 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. From that relation we are substituting the what we have the values is there, then 1 by v is equal to 1 by f means 1 by minus 7.5 minus 1 by minus 10 means minus minus plus we can get that. So 1 by V is equal to means by crossing doing the LCM we can get that 1 by 10 minus 1 by 7.5 that is equal to, by doing the LCM we can get the values for here 1 by 10 means here is that 75, and as well as by doing this we can get that here 7.5 minus 10. From that relation we can get the values for 1 by V is equal to minus either V is equal to, by reversing this 1 by V into this, then we can get that 75 by minus 2.5 means by the calculation of this we can get the values. Here it is that 75 into 10 by 25 minus, then we can get the values 25 ones are 25 3s are, that is equal to minus 30 centimeter. Minus 30 centimeter means the 30 centimeters from this far away from this the image is formed. We can get the minus 30, so that's why the image is inverted. Image we got. So here is that V is equal to minus 30 meter. Image is inverted at a distance V is equal to minus 30 centimeter. Minus symbol indicates that in the side of the object, means in the side of the object. Here is that we got the two values, that is the distance of the image is minus 30 centimeters from the pole to the distance is 30 centimeters. The image is formed at a 30 centimeters distance, and the nature of the image is that's a inverted image, and it is formed in the side of the object. This is about the formation position of the image, how to follow the sign convention by doing the numerical problems. Means here we applied the numerical problems, the sign convention in this. Whenever we are measuring the values, we should take the values only. If for the known quantities only, unknown quantities we should not take that values. If we take that values, the minus in opposite directions, the minus will be cancelled, and same as the same formula we can get. So the here it is that here the V is equal to minus 30. Minus 30 means the minus symbol indicates that in the direction of the object. So here it is that then what is the magnification? The magnification M is equal to, formula is minus V by U. Minus V by U is the formula for concave mirror. Then that we can get minus of V by U means V is the minus 30 by U means minus 10. Minus get cancelled, 10 ones are 10 threes are, then we can get minus 3 centimeter. Means in inverted image, in 3 centimeters of magnification is there. The object is 3 centimeters of magnification. So that's why we are considering that 3 types of magnification is there. 3 times of magnification, minus the inverted image is magnified 3 times. So here is about that magnification. So that we can write that the image is real and inverted 3 times. Inverted image magnified 3 times the object, means if the object is 1 centimeter and it is magnified to 3 into 1 centimeter, means that means to say it is 3 centimeters, that 3 times bigger than the object. So that's why here it is that the 3 times than object. 3 times than object. Same as once again here that he asked for the position of the image, nature of the image, and magnification of the image. Then in each case, means in 2 cases as given 10 centimeters and 5 centimeters. Then object is placed at a 10 centimeters distance. Then we are measuring the values whenever the object is placed at the 10 centimeters, means 10 centimeters. Then according to the problem, radius of curvature is r is equal to minus 15 centimeter. Minus 15 centimeter is the value for radius of curvature. So that's the focal length will be f is equal to r by 2 is the formula. Then from that formula we can get that minus 7.5 centimeters. So by the calculation, minus 7.5 meters means in the direction of the object the focus has happened. Focal length is minus 7.5 centimeters. Minus symbol indicates that in the direction of the object side, means the against the incident layer, right. So here the distance of the object in first case we are taking that u is equal to minus 10 centimeters, and focal length will be f is equal to, we are measured that f is equal to minus 75 centimeter. Then from the according to the mirror formula is 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f is the mirror's formula earlier we have derived. So here from that formula, if we take that 1 by u taken to this side, we can get 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. So from that formula we can write that here 1 by v is equal to, we are substituting the values. We have a focal length f is equal to minus 7.5 and u is equal to minus 10. We are substituting the values, numerical values in the formula. By the calculation, by doing LCM, we can get 75, 7.5 minus 10. Then from that derivation, we can get from the total calculation, we can get the value for the image is v is equal to minus 30 centimeters is the image is formed in the side of the object. That is the image is a real and inverted image is formed in that side of object at a distance of 30 centimeter. So here is that 30 centimeter distance image is formed. Then what is the magnification of the image? Means the magnification of the image is, we have the formula for magnification, that is minus v by u, means the size of the distance of the image by the distance of the object. So here is that we have the values for distance of the image and distance of the object. So by substituting those values, we can get that minus 3 is the value. Minus 3 means here the image is magnified 3 times than the object, 3 times than the object. So the image is real, inverted 3 times than the object. This is in case of 10 centimeters. If it is in 5 centimeters, so in case of 5 centimeters means here the u is object is placed, the distance of focal length is 7.5 centimeter. The object is placed between the pole and this is 5 centimeter, between the pole and principal focus. So here it is that when the distance of object, u is equal to, in the second case, in case 2, in the second case 2 is minus 5 centimeter because of object placed in front of the mirror. So that's why we are taking that from pole to the object is 5 centimeters, that is u is equal to minus 5 centimeters. Next focal length of a mirror is f is equal to minus 7.5 centimeters. As well as we have the formula for mirror's formula. So from the mirror formula, 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f, that is equal to 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. From that equation, then we can substitute the values and derive the equation for that. Then before that, 1 by v is equal to, by doing LCM, by 1 by v by 1, we are substituting the values, that is minus 7.5 plus minus 5 means minus and minus plus 5. Here it is that we can get the value of 1 by 5 by 1 by 7.5. So from that relation, by doing the LCM, then we can get the values for, here it is that the values for the by doing that LCM. So by doing the LCM, then we can get that 1 by v is equal to 7.5 minus 5 by 5 into 7.5. From this 7.5 minus 5 means 2.5 by 2.5 by, here it is that means 7.5 minus 5, 2.5 by 5 into 7.5. So by taking that v is equal to, then the changing the values, then we can get that 5 into 7.5 by 2.5, means here it is that 2.5 ones are 2s are, then we can get the values of 15 centimeter, means here it is that 15 centimeters, means at the distance of center, means here the 15 centimeter, the radius also 15 centimeters, so that's why here it is also, then the image is formed at the center of radius, means here it is that behind the, means it happened whenever the between the, not in this direction, the will before the, here inside between the, before the mirror it will happen. So here it is at the 15 centimeter whenever it is reached, and then here happened 15 centimeters the distance, that is so that's why here 15 centimeters is the distance of object. The image is virtual, the image is erect or virtual at a distance 15 centimeter, v is equal to 15 centimeters. Then magnification, m is equal to minus v by u, that is equal to minus of v means plus 15 and u means minus 5, minus cancelled, 5 ones are 5 threes are, means 3 times, means in the direction of, in the direction of the incident ray, that will happen. Magnification 3 times the object in the direction of incident ray in the before the mirror, means in this direction, in this direction the image is formed. So here it is that